So we are at the Bob Ferrando Ford dealership up here in Girard, PA for an all Mustang car show. So this is being put on by the Lake Erie Mustang Owners Club, and super cool show. Nothing here except Mustangs, so let's get her done. The 2015 5-liter, first year of this 550, and a 2018 GT 350. I like the orange and black on that. That looks clean. A nice Shelby GT 500. Nice 77 Mustang 2 Cobra. The 66 convertible with a 289. Nice 72 Mach 1. Here's a 66 Shelby GT 350 and a 66 Fastback with a 289. And this is an actual Boss 429 Mustang, and it is unrestored with 12,000 original miles. Has all original black jade paint and even original interior. Very nice, super awesome car. Very rare. I think there are only about 800 of these ever made. And here's a nice 1970 Boss 302 with grabber orange paint. 66 coupe with a inline 6-cylinder, and a 69. It's got a Cleveland. Oh, and a 4-speed. Very nice. Nice 66 convertible with a 289 2-barrel. There's a 2018 Shelby GT 350 and very nice 85 Fox body, 5-liter GT. Nice, got T-tops and a 5-speed. There's a 2011 California Special. Nice 5-liter Fox body, 1993. And another California Special. Nice S197 here with a 4.6 liter. Nice 83 Fox body GT. Even got a sunroof. Here's a 07 GT. A 4.6 liter. Oh, and a 5-speed. Here's a 1966 GT 350 Hertz Rent-A-Car with a 289 Hypo 4-barrel. Very nice, clean car. Here's a 92 GT. Like the paint on it. Got a sunroof and an automatic. Very nice 69 Boss 302 here. Calypso coral paint. And a 4-speed. There's a couple brand new GT500s. Nice blue on this one. Very nice 66 convertible here with a inline 6-cylinder. Oh, and it's even got the pony package interior. Very nice car.